Welcome guys! Today we're checking out the top 5 vacuum sealers for preserving food, reducing waste, and keeping ingredients fresh. Let's see which ones are worth considering. Starting. Number 1. NESCO Deluxe Food VS801 Vacuum Sealer. The NESCO Deluxe Food VS801 Vacuum Sealer is a powerful 130-watt machine designed to keep food fresher for longer. Its 25.1 in Hg double vacuum pump provides strong air extraction, while dry, moist, double, normal, and gentle settings offer flexibility for different foods. The optional double heat seal adds extra security when sealing moist or liquid-based foods. An easy lock handle makes operation simple, and the built-in bag cutter, roll storage, and viewing window improve convenience. It supports bags up to 11.8 inches wide and includes 2 starter rolls, making it a versatile choice for meal prep and food storage. Number 2. Potane Precision Vacuum Machine VS5736. The Potane Precision Vacuum Machine VS5736 is a compact yet powerful food sealer designed for frequent home use, meal prep, and bulk food storage. Its 120-watt brushless motor and 8mm sealing element create reliable seals, while dry and moist modes provide flexibility for different foods. The built-in cutter and storage compartment hold rolls up to 20 feet, making custom bag preparation quick and convenient. It also offers both automatic and manual vacuum controls, plus an accessory port for compatible containers. With 2 included bag rolls, 1-hand operation, and a 5-year warranty, it delivers impressive convenience in a compact design. Number 3. FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. The FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer is a versatile choice for preserving meat, produce, leftovers, and meal-prepped foods. Its automatic bag detection starts the vacuum and seal process when a bag is correctly positioned, making operation simple. Smart moisture detection can identify liquid and switch to the appropriate setting for a reliable airtight seal. The machine also features a retractable handheld sealer for compatible zipper bags, containers, and canisters. Built-in roll storage and a cutter let you create custom-sized bags, while the removable dishwasher-safe drip tray helps simplify cleanup. The starter kit includes rolls, vacuum bags, and zipper bags. Number 4. Beelicious Pro VSP801. The Beelicious Pro VSP801 is a smart vacuum sealer that combines powerful food preservation with convenient digital organization. Its 98 kilopascals dual pump system removes air quickly, while widened dual heating strips create a stronger, more reliable seal. The extra moist mode is especially useful for marinated meats, seafood, and other high-moisture foods, helping maintain consistent sealing performance. What makes this model stand out is its food trace label printing system and companion app, which can turn sealed food into digital records with details, dates, categories, and reminders. Built-in roll storage, a cutter, countdown display, and removable drip tray make everyday meal prep easier. Number 5. Beelicious Pro DualCore CVS101. The Beelicious Pro DualCore CVS101 is a commercial-grade chamber vacuum sealer designed for home kitchens, meal prep, sous vide, and liquid-heavy foods. Its spacious 6-liter chamber and dual vacuum zones provide flexibility for sealing everything from meats and marinades to soups, powders, and larger bags. A 230-watt dual-core system with 4 oil-free dry pumps delivers up to -100 kilopascals vacuum strength without requiring oil changes. The removable 12-inch dual-seal bar creates wide, airtight seals, while the extra-wide bag clamp helps keep bags positioned securely. An accessory port also supports compatible containers and jars for added versatility. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.